Good morning. This video is to show you how to connect to our Highline College computers remotely and activate your Google Drive in order to save your classwork, because anything you work on our computers, whether in person or remotely, they would not be saved at all after you log off the computer. So the first thing first, I need to go to horizon.highline.edu and log in. You can download the software if you're interested, but and if you don't have the space to do that. If you download the software, it can actually interact with your local drive, but you don't have to do this. It's gonna slow down your computer. So I'm gonna use the web application to actually install work remotely with the Highline College computers. So I will click on VMware Horizon HTML access, and you have to use your username and password. The same username and password you log in using Canvas. And if you're doing that for the first time, it's gonna take a little while to actually log in. Click on instructional desktop. Now it's gonna again, this is the first time you're doing it. It takes a little longer to actually log in. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I should have faster access, but we'll see. Took me about 25 seconds to actually log in, but that's actually not bad. So you'll come up to this area here. So the first thing I do, actually log into my Google Chrome. And we want to make sure you have your phone with you, because you need to verify through my apps or Okta. So I'm going to click sign in, put my Highline email address. It's like you are now. I'll be sitting behind the college computer. Click next. Put your, again, username and password. You can put your entire Highline email address or your username in this case. Sign in. Now I use special save yes. So you don't have to do this. I'm gonna use the verify Okta, or I can do my phone. I like to do verify Okta because I have the application on my phone. Just give me that number immediately, so you don't have to wait. So you're gonna download your application on your phone. Just look for Okta Verify. Click continue. Now I'm accessed my web browser and all the links I want to access to it. Now I need to activate the Google Drive. So in my search box here, I'm gonna type Google Drive, and you want to look at the app. So this is the app right here. Again, I'm gonna sign in, get started. If you've done that for the first time, you have multiple options. If you've done that before, it will bypass you right away. Okay, if you're doing that the first time, they ask you to do other things. I will usually skip all that, and I'm gonna wait till a notification come out to Google Drive, so I have access to my Google Drive. To check you have access to the Google Drive, click on the folder, and you should be able to see that Google Drive right here. Absolutely awesome. Okay, and many times if you're working with Word or any Microsoft application, you might have to log in and sign in just like that. You do this at the college as well. You have to put your Highline email address. Click next. Okay, the password again. And I'm gonna wait for I'm going to my Okta Verify to actually do this. It's much faster. then verify. Now I can use my, okay, when it comes to this point, please click no sign into the app. This is actually for mobile devices. Now I fully have access to my Google Drive and also save my work there. It's like a USB drive. Okay, when you're done with your work, you need to exit everything, save and exit everything, close. Don't close the outside browser. It's actually because you are inside browser, which is this is the horizon right here. But outside is actually your own browser. Make sure don't close it. You close the entire thing. So I'm gonna close this application here. To properly log off, you have to click on log off right here. Even if you are on campus, you want to do that as well. Now, as soon as you sign out, then you can go ahead, sign out anyways, close, and you can close this application right here. Okay. Take care and have a good progress with your classes.